Pacquiao! Introducing in the red corner from Silay City, also weighing 122 pounds, wearing all white trunks with red letters, the former Oriental Junior Featherweight Champion, now number 5 WBC Super Featherweight Contender, Reynante Hamili. Judges, Alex Villacampa, Mr. Vincent Rodriguez, and referee and judge, Councilor Ferdinand Estrella. Please rise.
Now are showing their partisanship. At their back, there's a group of young girls and young boys displaying posters saying, "Go, go, Hamili."
Alam mo pare, hindi lang dito ang Hamili. Dali pa Batangas sa mga kaibigan ko kagabi. Lalo na yung kaibigan ko si Danny Layesa na nag-birthday. Happy birthday, Danny. Sana maging tama ang prediction mo si Hamili ngayon.
Kamusta po ang mga taga-province of Cotabato, especially sa city of Kidapawan?
Balbani, katulad mo kanina, kahit na kung sino manalo rito, sa Pilipinas pa rin itong koronang ito. Ganun din.
This is for the vacant WBC Junior Featherweight title. Reynante Hamili. In white, Manny Pacquiao, whose name is now familiar, household name, in black. Manny Pacquiao is fighting for the first time in higher weight category.
Pacquiao the southpaw, Hamili the right-hander. Caller of the two. Pacquiao leaving himself open to attack. Masyadong bukas ang depensa ni Pacquiao dahil pinipilit na makanakaw sa mga abang. Hamili doing the right thing, playing it wisely, snapping those punches.
The question here, Reka, is that while Manny Pacquiao was a big flyweight before, he now looks like a small junior featherweight.
You're right. He's just paying this division a visit. This is the first time in 122.
I don't know if he could withstand the power of Reynante Hamili, whose performance against Eric Morales was no pushover.
Well, he was getting rave reviews from the ring announcers until he lost spin midway in the fight, and he lost by knockout.
That is unfortunate. Lumalabas nung kay Morales
Yeah,
only even terms until medyo nasa wing palad.
Dito kaya sino ang sasabing palad, Chairman Popoy?
Tingnan natin, this is going, it could be either be a long night or a short night, depending on how these two gentlemen conduct themselves.
Manny Pacquiao is back to his old style. He wants to kill his opponent right away.
Matalino naman to si Hamili, staying at a distance.
And if you would take a look, Reka, malaki si Hamili sa kanya.
Matangkad. A good right by Pacquiao there. That could be the start of something good. Another good right by Pacquiao. Pacquiao going to the body, Hamili out countering. Medyo mahaba yung kanan ni Pacquiao, but he's wild.
You must remember, Reka, that this is Pacquiao's first fight.
But no change in his style.
Losing his
the same
style.
old Pacquiao.
Hamili fighting back, connecting with his
Hamili. Si Hamili needs to jab more to keep
good right there by Hamili.
to keep Pacquiao out of it. He has to use his jab some more.
A good right there by Hamili. Snaps back the head of Manny Pacquiao.
Pacquiao looking frustrated. Jumping in wildly. This is an acid test for Pacquiao. So far there's no change in his style. Basically the brawler, the knockout artist, lacking in defensive basics.
End of round one of the fight between former world champion Manny Pacquiao and Reynante Hamili. Connecting with the right. The that was the action in the first round.
Hamili has a longer reach. He's taller. He's not using it right now. I think he's just sizing up also si Manny Pacquiao. No?
Round two.
Round two, Manny Pacquiao in black, Reynante Hamili in white. Both fighters are fighting for the WBC Junior Featherweight International title. This is a vacant division. Reynante Hamili is a regular junior featherweight. Manny Pacquiao is a former flyweight who grew too big for comfort in that division.
He jumped 2 divisions up, Manny.
Yeah. He's now rated number 7 in the bantamweight WBC.
This is only the second round, and Hamili is in clear streak. Reynante Hamili down in the second round from a left by Manny Pacquiao.
Hamili coming back, trying to counter, but it's
Hamili
ready.
is back. Manny Pacquiao trying to connect again.
Sumabog ang uso ni
Yes, Hamili again by Pacquiao, and Hamili is still groggy. But oh, another good left. I think it's a for the second time in this fight. Another knockdown here, and the fight will be over.
Hindi pa siya yan. Gusto pa ni Hamili.
Yes, but under the rules, another knockdown here would mean an
Fight is over,
outright
yes.
to the fight.
Malakas talaga kaliwa ni Pacquiao.
Tama rin.
But Hamili comes back.
Eh si Hamili sumasabay.
A good knock again. Yes, it's all over. It's all over.
Automatic na yan.
Yes, it's all over.
Down. It's all over.
Manny Pacquiao wins the WBC International Junior Featherweight crown by a sensational 3-knockdown victory in only the second round of this fight.
That was a successful comeback for Manny Pacquiao.
It's a successful comeback for Manny Pacquiao.
The left was responsible.
It signaled the end of the career of Reynante Hamili.
Puro kaliwa ang tumama kay Reynante Hamili.
Alam mo, noong una, open si Pacquiao sa atake, pero nung tumama siya ng mizan, tinuloy na niya, nakita niya ang posibilidad.
Manny Pacquiao has just proven that indeed he packs power.
Dapat binoxing mo naman yan.
Yes, look at that. That was the second knockdown already.
Nagtaka ako sa referee, kailangan automatic stoppage na yung third knockdown, pero mabuti, renewal na. The 3-knockdown rule is in effect.
Yes, indeed. And, you know,
Pinapon ng tuwalya.
these issues, while it may be too early for me to discuss this record, there is something wrong with the way our officials are being educated now on the rules of boxing.
Well, there should be a review of everything out there.
That's the first, that's the third knockdown.
Alam mo, yan ang pag-asa ni Pacquiao. Meron talagang suntok. Yun lang depensa niya ang kulang. Pero akala ko pupunta sa katawan si Hamili, yun lang ang pag-asa niya. Because doon may problema pa.
Kanina, Reka, ayaw ko, sinabi ko, hindi ginagamit yung jab eh.
Very